Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. And in this short video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily remove stickers from the Message app on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to put your likes under the video and write comments after watching. So friends, let us get down to our topic. And in order to remove some stickers in the messaging app, you'll need to go to Conversation. And then friends, you'll need to click on the plus sign next to the message bar. And here, of course, select Stickers. Then in the next step, when your stickers all open up, in order to delete one of them, let's say you have to click on it and hold it down until you see a little line like this. And here, of course, select the very last item, which is highlighted in red, Delete. And when you click on it, as you can see, instantly the sticker will be deleted. Let me show you one more time. You tap, hold, you get a menu, you tap delete and the sticker is instantly deleted. This is the simple and very quick method, friends. You will be able to remove the sticker from your iPhone messaging app. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments. Take care.